Stop scrolling. Seriously, don't skip this video. I promise you, if you watch this till the end and actually follow what I'm about to teach, you can take your chocolate business to the next level. This is not just about making chocolate. It's a skill that can help you earn from home and completely change your life. Big house, big car, and all the dreams you've ever had can start becoming reality. Hi, I'm Manoo and welcome back to my channel Manoo Business. After part 1, I received so many comments, people asking for a complete guide, where to get materials, which chocolate is best, and how to sell. So in today's video, I'm giving you a complete A to Z chocolate business course in detail, covering everything that was missing in part 1. First, let's understand chocolate selection. If you're a beginner, compound chocolate is best because it melts easily and doesn't require tempering. But if you want to go premium, you can use kunafa chocolate. Just remember, it needs proper tempering, otherwise the shine and texture will be ruined. Some of the best options you can use are Calibot Premium, Belgian Dark Chocolate, Baker's Choice, Candy Melts, and brands like Sapphire or Wilton. Now let's talk about ingredients and tools. Because many of you asked for links, you can easily get everything from local baking shops, wholesale markets, or online stores like Daraz, including chocolate, silicone molds, spatulas, heat-safe bowls, dry fruits, and food colors or flavors. But don't invest too much in the beginning. Start small and grow gradually. Next is the most important step, melting chocolate, where most beginners make mistakes. There are two best methods. The double boiler method, where you heat water and place a bowl on top to melt chocolate without direct heat. And the microwave method, where you heat chocolate in 20-30 second intervals and stir in between. But always remember, even a single drop of water can ruin your chocolate. Now don't just stop at making plain chocolate, because design is what brings profit. Focus on high-demand products like heart-shaped chocolates, bars, dry fruit chocolates, dates-filled chocolates, marble designs, and gift boxes. And always create designs according to occasions like Eid, birthdays, and weddings. Once your chocolate is set, gently press the mold, and it will come out easily. And if your chocolate looks shiny, it means you did it perfectly. Now comes the most important part, packaging. Because anyone can make chocolate, but selling depends on presentation. Use transparent boxes, gift packaging, and custom stickers with your brand name, because your name is your identity. For selling, start with WhatsApp status, Facebook pages, and Instagram reels. Create attractive videos of your chocolates. And a powerful tip is to write limited orders to create urgency and increase sales. Now let's understand profit. If you make 1 kilogram of chocolate, you can get around 40 to 50 pieces. And if you sell each piece for 50 to 100 rupees, you can easily earn a good profit. And here is the golden rule you should never forget. Good chocolate plus good design plus smart selling equals high profit. If you master these 3 things, no one can stop you. If you've watched this video till here, I promise again, if you take this skill seriously, stay consistent, and work hard, you can change your life. This is not just a small business, it's the beginning of your big dreams. And if you want me to teach advanced designs, how to get bulk orders, and viral marketing secrets in the next part, then comment part 3. I'll see you in the next video, guide you step by step, and also answer every single question you had in the comments. So make sure you stay till the end, because the real secrets of earning and scaling this business are coming ahead. Now let's go deeper, because this is where most people either succeed or completely fail in this business. When it comes to decoration, this is the real game changer. Plain chocolates can sell, but decorated chocolates create emotion, and emotion is what makes people pay more. If you learn how to make your chocolates look premium, gift-worthy, and Instagram-worthy, you can easily charge 2x to 3x higher prices. Focus on clean finishing, smooth surfaces, and creative designs like marble effects, gold dust finishing, drizzle patterns, layered fillings, and dry fruit toppings. Use almonds, pistachios, hazelnuts, and even crushed cookies to create texture and visual appeal. The more visually attractive your chocolate looks, the more it sells, especially in markets like the USA, where presentation matters a lot. Now let's talk about packaging. Because packaging is not just a cover, it's your silent salesman. A customer first buys with their eyes, then with their taste. Use high-quality transparent boxes, magnetic gift boxes, or premium cardboard packaging. Add ribbons, thank you cards, and custom brand stickers with your logo. If you really want to stand out, Go for minimal luxury packaging, simple but elegant. You can even create themed packaging for occasions like Valentine's Day, Christmas, weddings, and birthdays. Remember, better packaging equals higher perceived value equals higher price. Now coming to investment, because many of you are worried about starting cost. The good news is you don't need a huge investment. You can start this business with as low as $50 to $100 if you begin small. Basic molds, a few chocolate packs, simple tools, and packaging materials are enough to get your first orders. As you grow, you can reinvest your profit into better molds, premium chocolate, and luxury packaging. This is a scalable business, meaning you can start small and grow big step by step. Let's talk about earning potential, because this is what excites everyone. If you make chocolates from 1 kilogram batch, you can easily create 40 to 50 pieces. In the US market, handmade decorated chocolates can sell anywhere between $2 to $5 per piece, depending on design and packaging. That means, from one batch, you can make around $80 to $200 in revenue. After subtracting your cost, you can still make a strong profit margin. Now, imagine if you start getting bulk orders for events, gifts, or holidays. You can scale this into hundreds or even thousands of dollars per month. Yes, this is absolutely possible. But let me be honest with you, this is not magic. This requires effort. You need consistency, patience, and practice. In the beginning, you might make mistakes, your chocolate may not shine properly, designs may not look perfect, or sales may be slow. But that's normal. Every successful business starts like this. If you give just 2 to 3 hours daily, practice regularly, improve your designs, and stay active online, you will start seeing results. Within a few weeks, you can get your first orders, and within a few months, you can build a stable income stream. Another powerful strategy is content creation. Record your chocolate making process, show close-up shots, satisfying pouring videos, and final packaging reveals. Post consistently on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. In the US market, short videos go viral very fast, and one viral video can bring you dozens of orders. Always focus on lighting, clean background, and aesthetic presentation in your videos. Also, never ignore customer experience. Always deliver on time, maintain hygiene, and respond politely. Add a small thank you note or even a tiny free sample in orders. These small things turn one-time buyers into repeat customers, and repeat customers are the real source of long-term income. And if you've watched till here, I truly respect you, because it means you are serious about changing your life. And I promise you again, if you take action on everything you learned today, this small idea can turn into a big business and open doors to real financial freedom. And if you want part 3, I'm going to go even deeper for you, where I'll share advanced techniques, more detailed step-by-step methods, and answer every single question you've asked in the comments with full clarity and real examples. I'll break down everything in even more detail, so there is no confusion left in your mind. But here's what you need to do if you really want that next level content. Make sure you comment below, and yes, you must have liked this video. I'll personally go through your comments and answer even your smallest questions, so don't hesitate. Whatever doubt you have in your mind, just drop it in the comments. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you never miss them. In this video, I've shown you so many different types of trending chocolates that you can easily learn and start making by following these methods step by step. I've used a variety of molds and techniques so you can understand everything in detail, from kunafa chocolate, dry fruit chocolate, strawberry chocolate, peanut chocolate, simple chocolates, to beautifully decorated premium chocolates. The goal is simple. Pick the style you like the most, master it, and start creating your own products. The more you focus on quality and presentation, the more your chances of selling at higher prices increase. If you package these chocolates in a premium way and present them like a luxury product, you can turn this small idea into a high-income business and even earn in dollars over time. I also want to say a big thank you to all my viewers who are watching me from different countries, whether you're from India, the USA, Belgium, or anywhere else in the world. Your support and comments truly mean a lot to me. And yes, I carefully read your comments because they help me understand what you want to learn next. Also, for those asking about links, don't worry. In the description of this video, you'll find all the links for the products and tools I've used. And if for any reason you don't find something there, I'll show my TikTok and Instagram IDs on the screen. Just go to my profile bio and you'll find all the links. From there, you can easily explore, purchase the materials, and start your own chocolate business from today. No excuses, start small, start simple, but start now. And if you want more amazing business ideas like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel and become part of this journey with me. Your support truly means everything to me. Also, don't forget to like this video as much as possible so I know that you appreciated my effort and want me to bring more valuable content like this for you. Your one like and one subscribe motivates me to create even better and more detailed videos for you in the future.